Hey there, friends. Today, we're going even deeper into our connection with the earth. In this meditation, we're going to tap into the raw, powerful energy of the land beneath us. The energy that's been here long before us and will continue long after we're gone. As we align with this energy, we'll renew our own, find inner peace, and restore balance. So, get comfy, close your eyes, and let's start this journey together. Let's begin by grounding ourselves. Imagine your body as the roots of a tree, deeply planted into the earth. With every breath, feel your connection to the ground, stable, steady, and strong. Feel the earth's energy rising through your feet, traveling up into your legs, and slowly moving through your entire body. This energy is ancient, powerful, and full of wisdom. As you inhale, feel the earth supporting you. With every exhale, release any tension or stress, sending it deep into the soil to be transformed. Now, imagine the earth's healing energy flowing into you, from your feet to your chest. Feel its warmth and comfort as it gently embraces you, providing support and safety. This energy nourishes us, just like the earth nurtures the plants and trees. As you inhale, absorb this life-giving energy, replenishing every part of your being. With each exhale, release what no longer serves you, old worries, negative thoughts, anything weighing you down. Let it dissolve into the earth, leaving you free. Let's now tune into the Earth's natural rhythm, the steady beat that pulses through the planet. Imagine yourself syncing with this beat, like a heartbeat deep within your body. This rhythm is grounding, constant, and calming. With each breath, feel yourself aligning with the Earth's pulse. Let this rhythm guide you, bring you balance, and ease your mind. Feel the flow of energy moving through you, creating harmony with the Earth's heartbeat. Now, invite the wisdom and strength of the Earth into your body and mind. The Earth holds so much knowledge. Its quiet power is always available to us when we connect with it. With each breath, absorb this wisdom and let it fill you with clarity and strength. The Earth is patient, grounded, invite the Earth's ancient knowledge into your being. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming more centered, more confident, and more grounded. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the Earth's energy still flowing through you, steady and strong. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Know that the Earth's energy is always with you. It's here to ground you, support you, and guide you whenever you need it. Thank you for joining me today. If this meditation brought you peace, share it with someone who could use a little grounding. Until next time, take care and keep connecting with the Earth's powerful energy.